Here is the first episode of the Discover the Most Beautiful Chengdu series. I am your journey planner. In just one day, I'll take you on an immersive tour of Chengdu's northern treasure landmarks. From the habitat of national treasures to industrial heritage, from ancient temples to artistic neighborhoods, today's journey will not only feature iconic spots, but also unlock the unique narratives that belong to Chengdu. Are you ready to follow the camera and embark on a time-traveling exploration? Chengdu Research Base of Giant Panda Breeding. At 7:30 in the morning, we step into the world's largest panda research institution, the Chengdu Research Base of Giant Panda Breeding. Please pay attention to the left side of the screen, where this 1-month-old panda cub is learning to roll over. Its black and white fur almost becomes transparent in the backlight. As a flagship project for WWF's global ecological conservation, every panda here has its food intake and activity tracks digitally monitored. If you want to chance upon a top-tier panda, head straight to the moon birth room, where you might witness the precious moment when a cub opens its eyes for the first time. Dongjiao Memory. A 15-minute walk brings us to the open-air Museum of Industrial Aesthetics, Dongjiao Memory. This former Soviet-aided factory area now blends cyberpunk graffiti with elements of Sichuan opera face masks. Look at the transformed gantry crane with a holographic projection of a bronze sacred tree floating at its top. Here, the ancient Sangsingdui civilization collides with futuristic technology. If you're feeling tired from exploring, head over to the Time Miscellaneous shop. There, you'll find enamel mugs with Panda's drink-covered bowl tea stickers. And the blind boxes at the corner bookstore even contain replica copies of the 1958 Chengdu Daily. I recommend capturing the Tyndall effect as sunlight filters through the steel framework around 3 p.m. A snap of that moment will instantly give you a vaporwave-style masterpiece. Wenshu Monastery. Cross the bustling Beiman Bridge and let the morning bell of Wenshu Monastery press the slow-motion button for you. This ancient temple, established during the Sui dynasty, holds many mysteries. Touch the sharp claws of the Ming dynasty stone lions on either side of the mountain gate. And it's said you'll absorb the wisdom of Manjushri. Hidden in the corner of the Sutra Pavilion is a panda tea bowl with a glaze color that remarkably resembles the fur of a young panda. At the Shangyuan Tea House, order a cup of Bitan Piao Shui, snow floating on a clear pond tea, and watch the leaves fall like snow on a green mountain. The staff will tell you that the jasmine flowers here are picked at 3 a.m., just to capture the fragrance of the century-old ginkgo trees at Wenshu Monastery. Yulin Roud. When the neon sign of the tavern lights up in Zhao Lei's song, the most vibrant and down-to-earth chapter of our northern tour begins. This 600-meter-long street can be considered Chengdu's creative gene pool. The poetry wall at Baye Bookstore displays handwritten long poem fragments from readers, while the Rose Dessert Shop still uses a copper pot passed down since 1983 to make its ice jelly. Be sure to try the 3-generation family recipe sweet alkaline noodles at the end of the alley. The owner recounts how the secret recipe originated with chefs from People's Commune canteens of the last century. The alkaline noodles, soaked in secret chili oil, develop an amber glow while coated in a complex sauce blending sweet and savory elements. As you bite through the chewy strands, sesame seeds and crushed peanuts burst with aromatic intensity. This paradoxical fusion of sweetness and heat mirrors Chengdu's eternal balance, where leisurely ease coexists with earthy vitality in perfect harmony. This is Chengdu's Northern Line in magical realism. The languidness of pandas, the industrial grit, the Zen serenity of temples, and the vibrant chaos of streets, all coexisting in 12 hours of wondrous harmony. Click the profile icon to follow. Tomorrow, we'll delve into Dujiangyan, exploring how this World Cultural Heritage Site uses the fishmouth levee to embody the ancient water management philosophy of deep dredging and low weirs. Before our next video drops, tell us in the comments, which scene would you time travel to? Holding a panda, photographing a cyber temple, or waiting for a ginkgo rain under the crimson walls of Dachi Temple? Don't forget to ring the bell to unlock more Chengdu secrets.